How are you?
Yes, good morning, Nitin, sir. Very, very good morning. I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you for taking out time and coming on to my channel. So I appreciate your time. So before we could start this video, I want you to introduce yourself.
Yeah, really. And first of all, I would like to say, sir, thank you for inviting me. Okay. So, my name is Israil. I'm from Bihar, but I have been living in Kuwait for a long time, including my hobby. I love to travel, meeting new people, and learning English. Okay. Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is foundation of of success. That's why I put 100% effort into learning English. Every morning I get up with with a new desire to improve myself. Yeah, that's all about me, sir. So may I know about
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you for introducing yourself, Israel. And I will introduce myself. My name is Nitin. I come from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm currently working with one of the MNC company as a HR representative. Apart from working, I also run my couple of YouTube channels. My first YouTube channel name is Advanced English with Nitin, where I upload content related to my English journey. And I have another channel with the name of Yoga with Nitin, where I upload content related to different yoga poses and breathing techniques. So that is all about me. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's great
Thank
to know
you.
about
Thank
you,
you.
sir. You are doing lots of yoga YouTube channel. You have
Mhm.
two YouTube channel as well as you are working. You are working.
Yes, yes.
That's great. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so if you want to
Yeah,
ask any
sure,
questions,
sure.
then you can ask
Yeah.
otherwise you can
Yeah,
ask.
is right. So I can see your communication skills are very good. So I will ask you question related to that only. So it will help others who are starting their journey in this language. So the for the beginners, it will really helpful. So could you please tell us about your English journey, how you started, what are the challenges you faced when you started your English language? So please tell us about that.
Okay. Actually, first of all, I would say that I have been learning English for last 2 years. And if I
Mm-hmm.
go towards that when I started my English journey, neither I knew grammar nor speaking parts. I couldn't speak single word. Okay, I faced many problems when I started English journey. Okay, I didn't know anything, but I thought should I learn and should I leave? Okay, so after learning 2 3 months, I left English journey. Again, I started my English journey, and I thought whether I do something or not, the time will pass. But time is very very important for me, so I thought I should learn. Then I started learning. Okay. Then first of all I learned grammar. I spent for 6 months to learn grammar. After that I know everything. Okay, that how to communicate, what is the helping word, what is the do the jijamar, so many things I I got to know. After that I started watching conversation videos. I kept consistency myself, and I knew that if I consistency myself, then I can learn anything and I can speak English. Okay. And I was very fond of learning English, and still I am very fond of learning English. So I faced many problems, and I did not stop my English journey. So right now you can say I am able to speak English, and I have improved a lot. Still, I am on the way and I am learning. Okay, but if I be consistent, so definitely I will learn more and more. So first of all, I learned grammar because grammar is very very important. Okay, I learned grammar because I wanted to comprehend everything. Suppose if you don't know grammar, then you can't able to make sentence, isn't it? Only if you listen, and they sometimes you get boring. Okay, so that's why I learned grammar, and the grammar helped me a lot. And just because of grammar, I can say I'm speaking English in front of you. Yeah, that's all about me, bro. This is
Yes,
my all
yes,
English
very
journey.
Okay, great, great. Thank you for sharing your journey. Yes, definitely someone who wants to start their English journey, they should first focus on grammar. I would say not 100% of grammar, but basic rules of grammars are required so that you can speak in this language. Okay, great. So I wanted to ask you any setbacks, any challenges when you face while learning this language, and in the past you face any kind of setbacks where you realize that no, I want to learn this language. So where you feel any kind of humiliation and in that particular situation, which made you to learn this language. So can you tell us about that experience?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. When I was new, when I came to first time Kuwait, so I purchased one SIM card, and after some day, uh, money has been cut from my account, and when I called in customer care, he started speaking English with me. Okay. Neither I knew Arabic language nor English language, so I faced many problems. Then I thought, if I at that time, if I knew English language, so definitely I would talk to you in English. But unfortunately, I didn't know anything, so I left. Then I made plans that one day I will speak English, I will learn English. After that, I started my English journey. So I faced this kind of problem. And second problem, I'm in Kuwait. I'm not in India. I'm out of India. Okay. So when I was going to India and I was at the Kuwait airport, so when I went to counter, so madam was sitting on the counter and she asked me, "Where is your luggage? How many luggage do you have? Where is your passport and ID?" So I was not able to reply. I didn't know anything. Okay, so I faced problem at that time. I thought, sooner or later I will speak English. I will learn English. Okay, and after that I started learning English. Okay, it was very
Yes,
bad moment for me, but I got motivated. I got religion. Okay, I motivate
yes.
myself. You do something. You should learn something. You have ability. You can learn. Okay, and
Yes.
I learned.
So yeah, good, good. That these setbacks, this humiliation really teach us something. Because of these setbacks, we feel that learning English language is very important. Because in today's world, people all across the world speaks only English language. They understand only one language, that is English. So these setbacks, this humiliation teach us a lot of things, and we should not forget about these things because we will be keep motivated in this journey by remembering these setbacks. So definitely it is very important. So my next question to you is that do you feel now any kind of hesitation while speaking to other people, any strangers people? Do you have that kind of hesitation? Because I can see you are practicing your English for almost 2 years. Do you still have that hesitation?
Initially, I had fear, and
Mm-hmm.
I was timid. But now I have confidence. Okay, and I don't have fear. I can say, and you can observe.
Yes, yes, yes. I don't see any kind of hesitation.
So
Yeah. Please go ahead.
I had hesitation, but I have removed it. I thought if I have conversation, then I would not able to talk. I would not able to learn. I would not able to go ahead. Okay,
Right.
they put my hesitation and fear, and I
Yes.
can talk with any person, without fear and hesitation.
Wow.
Okay.
That
So
is
if
very
you have
good.
education and fear now, definitely when you
Uh-huh.
meet other person and a stranger, so you'll be not able to communicate just because of
Right.
fear. Fear is
Mm.
a big problem. So first of all, you have to remove your fear that you can speak well English. We can improve your English. Okay. While speaking, only you think about your fear, right?
Yes.
But if
Yes.
you are confident, then no matter what kind of question are you being asked, okay,
Mm-hmm.
will reply very well, according to me.
Very good. Very good. So that is very good answer. Thank you so much for that. So I you just mentioned about your YouTube channel. So could you please tell us about your YouTube channel name and how you got that inspiration to start your YouTube channels? What is the reason of starting your YouTube channel? So can you please tell us about that?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. My YouTube channel name is Learn English with Israel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When I was beginner, as I told you, when I started watching conversation videos, at that day, at that moment, I thought, uh, can I come on the YouTube or not? Because I was totally beginner. I wanted to see myself better in my future, and I wanted to see myself, on the YouTube. Okay. So I did not have knowledge how to create YouTube channel, how to upload videos. Even I didn't know English, anything I didn't know. Okay. When I learned, some English when I crossed 1 year for 1 years. Okay. So I met one friend and he suggested me, Israel, you know English nowadays. If you create your YouTube channel, definitely you will get lots of people to communicate, and this way you can improve your English. Then I said, I don't know how to create. Then he told me, you go just YouTube and you search your name, okay, and you can make. Then I told her, can you help me? Then said, yeah, I will help me. So just because of him, okay, I created my YouTube channel. And first, I had first conversation with a girl. I'm not able to recall her name. And I uploaded, first video on my channel, and I felt so good. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
why did I create YouTube channel? I wanted to see myself on the YouTube. Okay, that I am looking other person, I'm watching, for other person. And why should people know should want to watch, my video on the YouTube? Okay, that's why I
Right.
created.
Wow, that is very good. Good. So people will learn from you, and definitely when you create your YouTube channel, you can track your journey. So you can see when you started your YouTube channel, that time how you was speaking this language, and after for 2 years, how you are now speaking your language, so that you can track your English improvement, and that will be inspiring for other people. They will also start their journey. They will get inspiration from you. So starting a YouTube channel is very good idea. And secondly, while editing this video, posting this video, you will face the camera. So you will your
Oh,
presentation skill will also improve. And while editing video, you will learn something new about different application. So you will learn about different technical skills also. So that is a good thing that you are improving in all aspect of your life. So
mm,
starting a YouTube channel even helped me a lot. Even I started my YouTube channel recently only. Even in the month of August 2025, I started my YouTube channel. So still I am learning. I am still figuring out how to post video, how to edit them, how to make thumbnails. But I'm trying my level best. So that is how my journey is also going on.
oh, that's great. So what kind of
Yeah.
video are you are you uploading?
So recently I have started uploading conversational video. I have started doing conversation with other co-learners. So I am approaching them and I am having conversation with them about their English journey, about their challenges, how they learn this language. So I am posting this same kind of conversation recently. And apart from that, whenever I learn something new phrase, new idiom, and new words, that I upload on my channel. So that is something I'm doing to track my journey, so that I want to even track my journey. As I told you that I'm into HR domain, so I want to work on my presentation skill, how I'm presenting myself in front of camera, how I'm talking to other people. I want to improve on that. So for that, I'm working on my YouTube channel, and at the same time, it is really helping me to improve myself. So for that matter, I'm using Episode app, which is really helpful app. So yeah, that also helped me because in Episode you can have a conversation on a video call. So I am talking to a lot of foreign
Okay.
people on the application, which really helped me. Yeah,
Okay, so you are working in a company. So is
yeah,
English speaking? Is
yeah,
English is
yeah.
spoken
Yeah,
in your
so
environment?
yeah. So in my company, people do speak English, but whenever it is required, so during meeting they will speak. Otherwise, everyone speaks Hindi, Marathi, all the regional languages they speaks. But
Okay.
now, since I have started working on my language. I have clearly told them I'm going to speak in only in English because I want to improve my English. So they are also supporting me and they are also speaking with me in English language. So it's really helping me too.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. At least you have environment to speaking.
Yes.
Definitely, you can improve your English, very soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So
Oh. Mhm.
I have some work. So if you allow me to go,
Yeah, yeah,
okay,
sure, sure. So before
this
going,
video.
I would like to thank you so much for joining this call, taking your time out. It will really help us, other co-learners, to learn from your journey. Thank you,
Yeah.
Israel, for your time.
Thank you to you, sir, and nice to meet you. Glad to see you, sir. And
Yes,
definitely we will
yes.
meet later.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sure, sure. Thank you,
And,
thank you. Have a great
so
day.
can you share
Bye.
me? Can you share me this video?
Yes, 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 sure, sure. We'll do that. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
for your
Thank
time. Bye bye.